Hi! Look who's back! Mine! Today I'm going to start learning 3 skills which I found on Instagram. First one is front flip, second one is Webster, and third one is just getting up when you're lying on the floor with your hands and legs tied. I'll give the links to those Instagram posts in the description below. Those are basically how-to steps to learn those skills. So here is the Instagram video for the front flip. And this is for the Webster. And this is for getting up when you're tied up on the floor. I can't do any of those right now. I can barely do the first step in all of those. So I'll be making more videos as weeks pass by and I make progress in learning those skills, so that you can see how someone who can't do those at all can do those after a while. So now let's see how bad I am even in the first step of those skills. The first step of a front flip is basically just rolling on the floor like this. Ouch! It looks easy, but it's actually not, at least for me. I can feel pain on my bones here. The first step in Webster is pretty easy. It's just jumping like this. So I'm going to start the second step. Wait. Ouch. With this, I'm getting a short, intense pain in my toes here, which you get when you hit something like this. Ouch. And the third one is just getting up when you're tied. So let's assume that my hands or legs are tied up. I can't actually get up. So to make this easy, I'm just not going to tie my hands or legs. Ouch. Yeah, that's all I can do. So as you can see, these steps are not really hard, but the final skill is actually pretty cool to have. There are really no prerequisites to learn these skills. The stuff you just saw were really the basic steps to get started. So why don't you start as well? Apart from being really cool, these skills are really functional. Just be really careful and not hurt yourself, and start slow, and with consistency and time, I'm sure you will be able to learn them as well. Just remember that if I can do it after 5 years, so can you. So that's all. I'll show you my progress with these skills in the next few weeks. So stay tuned or not. Oh, great.